As the first section of our architecture classes, we want to get a general overview of integration and the role that AtomSphere plays. First, let's take a quick tour down the fast-paced history of integration. In the 80s and 90s, monolithic enterprise resource planning systems like SAP reduced the need for integration by providing an all-in-one software suite for businesses. This software existed prior to the internet exploding on the scene around 1995. But even before everything was hyper-connected through the internet, there was already data integration happening in these environments. There was EDI, which is electronic data interchange. These techniques are a pre-internet set of protocols for transferring data outside the enterprise. There's also ETL, which stands for extract, transform, and load. These are common tools to load analytic data stores, which would execute on nightly batch runs. And there was Enterprise Service Bus as well, as a way to publish master data within the organization. In about 1999, Salesforce started the cloud revolution by delivering a high-function, low-cost, low-maintenance application solution to the most common application area for all entities, and that's sales management. Arguably, the Salesforce innovation was primarily a change in the business model, not simply the service that they offered. They changed the game by offering monthly rental of the application versus multi-year license agreements in order to use the application. About a decade ago, software as a service, or SaaS, really began to get traction. And soon after, Boomi identified a market need and created a powerful integration tool allowing SaaS and legacy applications to integrate their data. Within the past several years, efficient cloud application has driven rapid growth and proliferation of best-of-breed applications. The cloud is no longer the future, the cloud is now. The cloud really has changed everything about the way that businesses manage data and integration. Seat license models reduce barriers to sales, and so this allows for quick account penetration and growth. Multi-tenant architecture delivers infrastructure very cheaply because there's less work. How is it less work? Well, multi-tenant allows common code base for all customers, which speeds the update cycle and thus more quickly delivers advanced functionality and results in a much lower cost for businesses. Also, the emphasis now is to configure and not customize, which reduces the barriers to rapid product improvement and updates. So the low cost to deliver the application means that vendors can target smaller niche markets and focus on being the best of breed in that niche. This rapid growth has outpaced the rate of change that most organizations can handle. So many companies find themselves with a mixture of enterprise architecture, some in the cloud, some local, some cutting edge technology, and some legacy applications as well. These companies need connections between these various systems and users and administrators who can manage all the connections. They need to identify and work with the master data as well as continue processing data feeds and maintaining logs. All of this requires a robust integration which creates a problem and an opportunity. AtomSphere is a powerful, multifaceted solution to that integration need. You can think of Dell Boomi as a digital business hub. It's a modern middleware layer that helps companies connect their various applications, whether they are legacy systems or cloud applications. Boomi provides a comprehensive range of capabilities to move, manage, govern, and orchestrate data. The Boomi iPaaS, or Integration Platform as a Service, also provides the benefit of a single environment to monitor and manage all your integrations, including when they involve on-premise systems. And best of all, Boomi makes all of this possible through a configuration-based approach. This removes the complexities and specialized expertise that comes with the use of traditional code-centric tools. AtomSphere is similar to a utility knife in that it has many different uses and features for many different integration scenarios. You can think of it as a cloud-based platform that serves as a low-cost, high-functioning integration toolset. It can run to local or cloud endpoints or a mixture of both. It comes with branded application connectors for quick setup to various web and local applications. Its hyper-productive development environment has a full lifecycle support and version control and allows for rapid development of advanced integration. And it supports EDI, MDM, messaging bus, ESB, ETL, managed file transfer, application transaction integration, and API management. Connecting to local endpoints is easy with a local runtime or for cloud integrations using the Dell Boomi Atom Cloud. For an application, these are usually a formatted API with objects and methods, and for a database, they are a JDBC driver. There are over 70 branded application connectors to connect with specific vendor APIs, along with 13 technology connectors to connect with other endpoints or APIs. So how exactly is AtomSphere used? This is how Boomi works in a nutshell. First, you build an integration process by using the library of connectors and maps to visually design the process and then load it onto a lightweight dynamic runtime called an atom, which then executes your process. Next, you deploy your atoms to AtomSphere for cloud integrations or behind your corporate firewall for on-premise integrations. Finally, use the AtomSphere dashboard to remotely monitor and maintain all of your integrations from a simple yet feature-rich tool. Boomi really does have the ability to meet any integration need. It connects cloud to cloud applications. It can be a hybrid cloud to on-premise integration that allows you to interact with enterprise systems behind your firewall. It can even work to leverage the best of today's technology while integrating with legacy systems. With such integration capabilities, businesses have never been so nimble. The next way that Boomi accelerates business agility is through the tools that we provide our users. First, Boomi provides a visual drag and drop configuration-based approach, which provides two levels of benefit. First is the ability to build and deploy integrations at a fraction of the time of code-based integration technologies. Secondly is the ability to have integration work done by less technical staff, thus freeing up development resources for higher value projects. The Boomi platform also provides a common user experience across its different integration capabilities, making implementations easier and bringing our customers a concept we call economies of skill, which allows a Boomi user to take what they have already learned on the platform and immediately apply that knowledge to new functional areas. This reduction of the learning curve gets Boomi users productive very quickly and allows them to easily advance to becoming power users. The third way that Boomi provides business agility is through automated intelligence, which is made available to our customers based on the collective actions of the over 5,000 customers using Boomi. Because of the platform's single instance multi-tenant architecture, we can gather metadata from across all customers, which can then be used for the benefit of all customers. The most commonly used example of this is Boomi Suggest, which provides recommendations on mapping data between different applications based on the over 26 million data mappings which have already been implemented in Boomi. Another example is Boomi Resolve, which provides guidance to correct implementation errors. And our Boomi Assure offering allows every customer to submit test cases for automated regression testing, helping Boomi to bring new features and innovations to our customers faster. When looking at iPaaS offerings, you should look carefully at how each one works in terms of how each improves user productivity and what each brings in terms of value and agility. Do other offerings provide a single, seamless, business, user-friendly, and intelligent experience? Once we show you what you can get with Boomi, we're sure that you will agree that this is a superior solution.